HTS-2000 is a 100% metal rod that requires no flux or chemicals and easily makes repairs on every alloy of aluminum. Joints made with HTS-2000 are permanent, corrosion resistant, and can be done with any torch. Thousands of shops are already using our product to make faster, less expensive, and stronger repairs on aluminum parts than ever before possible. HTS-2000 is a second-generation rod, and is actually 3 times stretchier and stronger than the first-generation rod that it was derived from. In the next 5 minutes, you will see some of the different repairs our customers are making, most of which even welding professionals cannot duplicate. A good example being the tremendous strength seen in this demonstration. For the strongest thread repair available anywhere in the world, simply fill a hole and drop a hot steel bolt into the hole while the rod is liquid. When cool, the bolt can be removed and new threads are produced. It can also be drilled and tapped. In this demonstration, a high-strength grade 5 bolt is twisted in half, trying to strip out the new threads. There's no need to throw away a part because of this problem ever again. A new ear can be built in just minutes that is much stronger than the original. Steel is used to form a mold in the shape of the ear to be rebuilt. After the part is tinned, just fill up the mold and let cool. A new hole is drilled and it is now ready for use. As you can see, the aluminum will break, but not the repair itself. When just part of an ear is missing, like in this case, a steel bolt, a nut, and 2 washers work easily to form a new one. After the broken area is tinned, the rod is melted over the bolt in between the washers. When cool, the bolt is removed and the ear is sanded and shaped. HTS-2000 makes permanent repairs. Time and vibration do not affect it. Cracks should be V'd out, tinned thoroughly, then filled in. It can be sanded, polished, painted, or even chrome-plated. 3 different repairs are shown here for aluminum fuel tanks. Small holes, like the ones that form from corrosion, are completely covered and sealed. This also reinforces the area. Cracks up to about 1/4 of an inch wide can be filled in without any backing. Another piece of aluminum can be used to patch larger holes. Some of the amazing physical properties of HTS-2000 can be seen in this demonstration. First of all, its melting point is almost 500 degrees lower than that of aluminum, which makes working on thin parts very easy. Because of extremely high surface tension, it won't drip through holes 3/8 of an inch or even larger. This rod has a 45,000 pound per square inch tensile strength and reinforces any aluminum it is applied to. Air conditioning leaks can be repaired in seconds with about 1 inch of HTS-2000. Cracks or corrosion spots are repaired quickly and will hold far more pressure than when welded with Heliarc. HTS-2000 will save expensive parts, reduce costly downtime, and increase the profits of any repair shop. HTS-2000 truly is aluminum repair for the new millennium.